Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to preview HTML code in Visual Studio Code. So, first of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser to get this software. So it is pretty much simple. Go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. And please, guys, don't make any mistake between or confusion between these two programs. They are completely different programs. The first one, which is Visual Studio, and the other one, Visual Studio Code. We are going to use the other one, which is with code, which is the blue logo. And basically here, if I went back to this page, I have to click on here, and in order to download, I will just have to click on download for Windows. If you want to download on any other system, you can have Mac OS or Linux from here. Now, let's after that you've done with this, you just have to only install it on your PC, and then you have to choose which language do you want to use, and just like that you will be ready to start working. Now, as you can see, if you open the program, and let's go here first of all, I will need you to get this live server extension from the extensions sector. So here, if you want here section to this section, you will find extensions. So search for live servers and then install it. After that, go to a new file, for example, or your project file, and then create an HTML code and then make it over here, as you can see here. Now, what you have to do is pretty simple. Let me just click here. Let's close that. And as you can see, after you did all of that, you just have to go to View, Command Palette, and from here, search for live server. So here we go, live server, and here I'm going to click on this one, and just like so, I will have this page opened in my browser. Let me just make it over here real quick. So here it is, my first heading, my first paragraph. So this is the same thing that are appearing in here. So yeah, guys, basically that's it. That's how you can preview your HTML code in Visual Studio Code. I hope you like this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.